boys and girls, it's Miss White. Today I'm coming to you from my house because you know that we are not at school right now. So, today we are on lesson 78. It looks like this. Make sure that you have it and you have your name and the date written up at the top for me. We're going to get started practicing some letter sounds like we always do. So let's go ahead and do that. Our first one is Q. Number 1, that's Q-U. Number 2, we have U. So that's U consonant E, comma, U. Number 3, we have R. A-R. Write it down. Number 4, we have like hook. O-O. Number 5, we have Y. That's Y. Write it down. Number 6, E. We have E-E, comma, E, or as final sound E-E or Y. Number 7, we have That's E-R. Number 8, we have Ch. C-H, write it down. Number 9, we have O, that's L, or as a final sound it could be L-L. And last, as number 10, we have oo, like tooth, and that's O-O. All right, go ahead and pause if you need to. Make sure you have these written down before we move on to our words we're spelling. 11, we're going to spell turtle. T-er, our U-R combination, and then tull. Remember how we spell that tull? The final stable syllable sound, T-L-E, turtle. And number 12, we are going to spell far. F, and then R, our combination A-R sound. Far. All right, make sure you get those down before we move on to our new song. All right, let's look at these words. Let's go this way. We have scent, circle, and cycle. Let's say these words together. Scent, circle, cycle. What do we notice about all these, the beginning sound in all of these words? Right? What letter are you seeing that's making that sound? It's a C, right? We're used to C making the K sound, but sometimes the C makes a S sound. And in that case, we call it a soft C, or cedilla is the word that we use because of how we code it. We code it by kind of making the bottom part of a 5. Do you see that? It kind of comes down and then makes the kind of the belly part of the 5. Okay, so that's kind of how you can remember. You're not going to put that part of the 5, you're just going to put doot. All right. So that's how we would code that. And then when we're looking at the rest of the word, here we just have vowel consonant, so we would go here. Here we have vowel, consonant, consonant. Oh, no, we don't. Sorry. Scratch that. Miss White's wrong. Here we have our C-L-E, col. We don't say that. And then we have vowel, consonant, gets a brev. And actually, this is kind of our combination IR sound as well. And then here we have cycle. Here our Y acts as a I, and we again push that off and cross off the E. All right, you didn't have to code that. That's just me coding it to kind of give you a little show. Let's practice spelling a little bit with this. We're going to spell the word ice for number 13. This is how we're going to start writing down. When I ask you for the S sound in the beginning, when we do that, we are going to be writing down S, so it'd be S, comma, C, Then as a final sound, it would be SS or SE or CE. Think of the word dice. Dice is spelled D-I-C-E. So that's where you get that S at the end of the word. All right, practice spelling. Number 14, let's spell ice. So we have I and then S. And to make that I sound, we know we need C and then E, right? Number 15, we're going to spell face. Same thing. And then we hear A. So for the S, we want C, E. All right, and then number 16, nice. N, I, S, C, E. All right, do you remember when we talked about spelling rules for C and K? And for C, we said if it was followed by an E, an I, or a Y, we used a C. Well, here's a new added rule. This is when we used the soft C. So in like the word scent or circus or cycle, we would use the soft C. Alrighty, let's go ahead and code our words. We have number 17. Oh, I didn't wipe it all off. Oopsies. Number 17. We have race. Here we have our CE. We put our little soft C cedilla mark there. We cross off our E because it's actually a consonant E, and then our A gets a macron. Number 18, mice. Same thing. Our C gets its cedilla, cross off our E, and our I gets a macron. Number 19, lace. Same thing. Cross off our E, our A gets a macron. Number 20, circle. Here we have our final stable syllable. We cross our E out. Here's our combination IR, and then our C gets the little cedilla on it. 21, center. Here we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. We also have combination ER. We draw a line here. Our C is soft, and then our E gets a brev. All right, look at these words. Match them to the picture over on the right, and make sure you have them down before I erase. All right, number 22. We have quill. All right, for quill, we have vowel consonant, so it gets the brev, and then we have our QU combination, so we draw that. That's all that needs. 23, we. Here we have vowel consonant, or consonant vowel with the vowel open, so it gets the maker. 24, guppy. Here we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, because the Y is acting as a vowel there at the end. It's making that E sound. So we put the dot above it, and then our U is just vowel, consonant, and gets the brev. 25, table. Here we have our final stable syllable, BLE, and we cross off the E, and then we just have our A and nothing, so it gets the macron, table. And 26, turnip. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. We draw the line. Our vowel consonant gets a brev, our vowel consonant. Well, that actually doesn't get a brev, I'm sorry, it gets the combination UR. All right, make sure you have these written down. And then you draw a line from the word to the picture that matches it. Next, I want you to look at the back of your sheet. Make sure you're doing this part on your own. It's your homework. Read the paragraph, answer the questions, and then read the words down at the bottom. I will see you guys soon, hopefully.